Okay, this is just a quick little video, page 175, question 10, okay? So this was quite hard for people to visualize, so I drew it out here on SolidWorks, all right? So if we spin it around, you can see that's our front elevation. And straight down is our plan, and looking in this direction then is our in view, okay? So I'm going to project the isometric of it, right? So it's roughly going to be something like that when we draw the isometric, right? Not 100% like this, but it's going to be roughly like this, all right? So the very first thing we're going to do, we're going to flick back here and we're going to draw our isometric box, which this shape fits into. So 30 degrees straight up, and the height of it then, so it's a cube and it is 90 long, 90 high, and 90 wide. Finish off this cube section here. Okay, so remember now what I said, right? This is our elevation, this is our plan, and this is our in view. I'm going to treat it step by step by step in order to get that shape, and we can keep flicking back to the SolidWorks as well, right? So you can see the dark lines running along here and down here. So that means we're going to see this kind of an L shape here. All right. So look, if I even hover over the SolidWorks again, that L shape up there to the left hand side on the elevation. Okay. So it's 20 here and 20 here. It's going to go straight up, and this is going to come straight across here to that. Okay. So that's my elevation, my front elevation part kind of drawn. Now in the book you can see bits here, but there's dotted lines, so that's going to be to the back over there. So my next thing now I'm going to draw is my plan, and the plan is your dark line. There's going to be a dark line running here and along here. Okay, so if I hover back over my plan on my SolidWorks, you can see the top there, little section, that's my plan. So I'm going to measure 20 here, and I'm going to measure 20 in this direction. Put this in here. Put this in here, and because this is squared in, there's going to be 20 up here at the top as well. So I'm going to start darkening things in now, right? So let's get dark in to there. So that gets dark into there. This goes right back here to the very back. About that small little bit there that I sent it too far. Yeah, so that's the plan. So that basically now is my plan drawn, right? So I'm just drawing the dark parts of the question. So that's the plan, right? We found this part here already of the elevation. And now I'm going on to my in view, okay? So my in view, it's going to run along here and down. So it runs along and down. So I'm going to go back to the light now again. So it runs along here. It's 20 millimeters wide here. So I'm going to darken this little section in now as well. So the question is coming together now. So all I've done is drew my elevation, drew my plan, drew my in view. Okay, that's all I've done. in the correct spaces and the isometric cube. We'll flick back here now and see what this looks like. Okay, so I have this part drawn. This is my elevation. My plan was up on top here. I have that drawn. And I have my in view drawn here as well. Now it's just a matter of getting in these final parts here to finish off the shape, okay? So if we go back here now, on this bottom corner, I'm going to project it back like so. And I'm going to project this corner back also. Okay. What's the height of the blocks? The blocks are 20 high, so I'm going to measure 20 here. I'm going to project it this way. Okay. Same on this side, the height of the block is 20. And I'm going to project it back like so. So we're nearly finished the object now. I'm just going to bring this straight across here, bring it back at 30 degrees to where it hits this side over here. And that's going to get projected back at 30 degrees now. So 30 degrees, 30 degrees. I'm going to bring this across here to where it hits the other side here at 30 degrees. And then we're projecting this back as well. Okay. So that's the question fully completed. Then it's page 175, question 10. That's it there, using the isometric method through board and paper. And that's what we should be getting there then with the SolidWorks one as well.